Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today, this is actually upside down, but it's actually a magazine stand that, I don't know, it's been in our family for a while. And I'm going to show off GluBot because this is my second one. And the other one, I ended up losing. I'm not sure where in my shop I lost it, but if you've ever seen my shop, you can kind of understand. And yes, we have a car above us because this is the only clean spot I have in a garage right now. But anyway, so a GluBot, what I like to do is I like to cut the end off, and I like to go kind of like pretty deep here. So we cut that, and then you get that nice little bead here, and then you just open this lid up. And this will keep your glue, basically, when you put the lid on properly, like it will keep it good for like months and months and months. And so I like using the TiteBond Ultimate Wood Glue. And let's open this up. And you can tell I haven't opened this in a while, but this stuff is great and keeps pretty much forever. So I'm not going to fill this up like too much, but we are going to fill that up enough to get this going in here. Okay, so that's probably a little bit more than I like to fill this up, but that's okay. I use quite a bit of wood glue, enough that we'll go through that. So you have a wood joint here, and you need to get this. So I see how you squeeze it and it kind of like rises up, and then as soon as you let back on it, it will kind of like feed itself back in there. So we are going to actually start out on this side, and I'm going to add a little bit of glue in here. Just to make a nice tight bond. I'm actually going to add some glue here. Since this is the bottom, no one's really going to see this. So I'm going to make a nice bead of glue in there. And then on this part, I'm just going to add a little bit. And see how you can like control how you can make a little bit or you can make a lot. So that's great. Then you put the lid on. It makes it nice and airtight, and it'll keep the glue for a while. And then we are just going to push this project back together again, and we'll put some wood clamps on that, but we are good to go. And then this glue, it wipes up easy, and it dries to a nice natural color. And that's what I like about this, is because it becomes practically invisible. And then so it can stain to any color that you need it. And with the GluBot, that makes that great. So let me go grab a clamp. I'll be right back. Alright, so with our wood clamp, I'm just going to tighten this down. Pull everything nice and tight together. Another clean swipe. And like I said, that will dry nice and clear in the morning. And I think I'll put another clamp on that side. But anyway, GluBot is absolutely awesome, and I like how you can precisely put however much glue that you need into a little area just with a little bit of a squeeze, and this will keep it going forever. And that is a adjustable tip that you can get, so if you have like a long joint that you got to go along. But anyway, GluBot, love this stuff. TiteBond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue is the only glue I use in my shop. Other than that, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.